Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you guys to my channel today. I've said graphics and multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakubu right here. I'm reaching you from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in this video guys, I'm going to show you guys how you can create an effective pipeline text effect in corelDAW step-by-step tutorial without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can create a pipeline text effect using your. Alright, first thing first, you have to go to your type tool right here from the tools bar. Select your type tools. So having select your type tools, then you have to come into the workspace and type in whatever you want to type. So this time around, I'm using excellent. Okay. Now we want to form a pipeline text effect from this particular text. So you can come to the home tab here and change the font size to let's say 100%. Excellent. Then you have to go to the font style and you have to change the font style, and I'm using you can see the fonts I'm using Lucida handwriting italics. Okay, so that's the font style I'm going to use. So we can reduce the font size to let's say 80. Okay, then you press P to centralize. Now next thing you have to do is to convert this text into bitmap. For you to do that, you just have to go to the home tab right here and look for bitmap and make sure you click on convert to bitmap. So this small window is going to pop up from your screen. Next thing you have to do is to make sure you select this color and then make sure anti-aliasing is checked and transparent background is checked. Then you click on OK. Boom. So next thing you have to do is to go back to your bitmap again. Select your bitmap, and this time around you have to go to center line tracing. Then you have to, from there you have to look for line drawing. At this very point here, this is where the magic is going, and right here you make sure this is checked, center line drawing, and the line drawing is checked. So once the system are able to generate the outline, then you just have to come down below here and click on OK. So next thing you have to do is to come to the home tab right here and then make sure you click on group. So having on group it, then you can click on the center point where you see the stroke and just drag it out like this. So you can see we have the excellent. So you can fall back to the type and then delete. Then you have to come back to the text right here and press P to centralize. Okay. So the next thing you have to do is to make sure you ungroup all these objects. So for you to do that, you can just come to ungroup all objects. So you're going to have it one after the other. So by the time I select on this, you have letter E, you have this also. Now you have to break this apart so that you'll be able to, you need to have them one after the other. So for you to do that, you have to come to the home tab right here. Make sure you click on break text apart, or you press Ctrl K on your keyboard to break apart. So having break apart, then it's going to be easy for you to move any of the letter. So right here we have this group also, and then here we have this already break, and then here we have this break also. All right, so next thing you have to do is to go to your toolbar again and make sure you select your circle. So having selected your circle, then just press Ctrl key down and draw your perfect circle. So this time around, you can fill it with whatever color of your choice. Then you have to come down here and right click this place for you to remove stroke. Now you have to make a duplicate of this shape. So for you to do that, just press Ctrl key down and right click. Then make sure you choose copy here. Okay. Copy here. So next thing you have to do is to select this bottom shape and select the top, press shift key and letter C. This allows you to align to vertical center. So you can change this color to dark pink. Okay. Next thing you have to do here is to make a duplicate of this shape. For you to do that, you have to press Ctrl shift key down and press this, and then you press Ctrl D to make a duplicate. So this duplicate one here, you can take it for one side. Okay. So you have to fall back to the original circle, press Shift key and select on this. Then you have to go to your toolbar and look for blend tool. So you select your blend tools. So having selected your blend tool, then the mouse is going to change. Then you have to blend from the top down to the bottom like this. So once you blend, you're going to have stuff like this. And you have to come to the blend property here and make sure you change to, you can change this to 100% and press enter. So when you change to 100%, it allows everything to blend full the part. Okay. So next thing you have to do is to blend this, to rally around this pipe around all this text right here. So for you to do that, the next thing you have to do is to go to your blend property right here. Make sure you click on here, new property, and make sure you choose new parts. Okay. Having choose new parts, you can start from anywhere. Let's start from here. And you just have to make sure that this is your mouse turn to stuff like this, and you click once on the part. So once you click on the parts, you are going to see it rally around the shape. Next thing you have to do is to come to the home tab right here, come to the blend property right here, and then click on this icon, this setting icon, and then make sure you choose blend along full parts. Okay. So when you choose blend along full part, it's going to blend around everything, just like what you see right here. So we have to fall back to this and then press Shift key and select this. We have to press Ctrl D again to make a duplicate. Then we have to go back to our blend tools and then we have to blend it all down. Then we have to come here and make sure we make this 100%. Enter. Then the next thing you have to do is to go to your part property. Make sure you choose new part. Then you can start from X. You can see it's going to blend. Then you have to come to the settings icon here and blend along full parts. Good. So you can see everything blend around. So next thing we have to do is to continue and go back to our shape, Shift key and select this and press Ctrl D again. Then we have to go back to our blend tools. Then we blend around. Then we come here, we make sure 100% and press enter key on our keyboard. Then we have to go back to our stuff here, new parts. Then we have to continue letter X right here. And we have to go to the property here and blend along full parts.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss that fact, taking big swing, hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel. I took the red pill. I know life's short, so I wanna live real. But how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact, and I don't feel no shame. It's a mood you lack, I go crazy. Nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these shit I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. Could be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seeds I've spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
Alright guys, so the next thing to do on this our tutorial is to add effect into our text pipeline after you are able to form your pipeline. So one of the things you can do with it is that you can come to the home tab right here, and then you can apply different type of effect. This is the counterclockwise blend. So when you click on that, it's changed to another color. Then you can come to here and then make sure you counterclockwise the color. This allow the color to switch. And then you can select on this also and make sure you change this to counterclockwise, and you can come to the here and change to whatever style of your choice. Okay, so you can come here and change this to this type of counterclockwise and then select this. So you just have to select them one after the other and apply the whatever effects of your choice into it. Okay, so you can select on this and counterclockwise, things like this. So finally we are able to form our pipeline text effects in corelDAW. So you can now select everything this way and then come to this home tab here and make sure you group them all together. You can press P to centralize. Okay, so guys, this is how you can create a creative pipeline text effect in corelDAW step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.